my kids. This is
Lara and
Leah, and today we're doing the $10 challenge. We have these awesome glasses to do the $10 challenge, but they're hard to keep it on because it's a dark plastic. But we were tagged for the Two Sister Toy Style. I'm gonna leave the link down below, and we're doing this with other 5 channels. And then I'm gonna tag at the end of the video a new one, but Fizzy Toy Show is doing the challenge, Gabriela Damari Show, The Greek Girls, and then Two Sister Toy Style, and myself. So we're 5 channels doing this. So, and I'm gonna tag a new challenge at the end, but I'm gonna show you what we got. I got this at Smith's. Smith's is a regular supermarket like Walmart here in Utah, and then I went there just to shopping, and then I didn't expect to find anything because I didn't went for the challenge, but I found this awesome My Little Pony Equestria Girls, the Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, and then it's Fluttershy, and I couldn't believe it. They were $2.24 each. Yes, and then here's the picture so you can see how much it was on the store. So we're gonna take it out and show you guys, but they're awesome. I couldn't believe it. $2.24, and I got one of each because it wasn't any other style. And then I went to Target, and then I found this for $2.99. This is superhero mashups. So this is how it looks like. I couldn't believe it. $2.99. Hope you like. And this is how it looks on the back. But this is awesome. So we spent less than $10, and we got 2 awesome toys for Lara and Leon. So we're gonna start opening these and show you guys. Okay, we're back. These are amazing out of the box. Look at the Spider-Man suit. This is awesome. And then you can change the shoe, the legs, the arms, the gun. You can customize everything between these 2 guys. And from the other side, we have Dr. Oct. He's awesome. Look at the tentacles, and then it's so green, bright with yellow. And the Leon is gonna have a lot of fun with him. Okay, for the other side, we have Lara with this awesome equestrian girls. She's gonna tell you a little bit about it, and I love the colors.
And she doesn't have a rainbow hair, but she has it in her top, in her skirt, in her lipstick. And that's weird, but that's okay. It's cute too because it's blue.
And she's Rainbow Dash, in case you didn't know, but it's
and she has
cute
pretty shoes with hearts.
And the skirt is kind of like a soft plastic.
And her skirt is yellow. And her top is red and yellow. And she has her lipstick, and her lipstick is pink.
Oh, this Spider-Man is moving around.
And then we have Pinkie Pie, and Pinkie Pie love sweets, and her cutie mark is on her cheek, and it's balloons, and her hair
that's
is
so cute.
soft
Let me
and
see.
pink.
Oh, that's true. Okay, this is how she looks
And
like.
Rainbow Dash has like a little weird thing. Her cutie mark is in her cheek too.
And this is a long hair.
And she's almost all pink.
Yeah. And let me show Rainbow Dash. She have a flashlight in there.
Yeah, flashlight.
Yeah, it's like a rock star Rainbow
in her
Dash.
cheek.
So cute. And she bring things, maybe they come accessories for it. See, and you can remove the skirt, and she's like a
it looks
swimsuit.
like a swimsuit.
This is so cute. You can even exchange skirts. Oh, you can put it on the back. Look at that, Leon. Let me see. What is the other one? Fluttershy, right?
Yeah. And she's not all pink. And her top has a white bow, and the other one is like aqua blue in the top, so it's not all pink.
They're so cute. They're hard to make them. Oh, she's standing by someone. The head is pretty
And then
big.
we have Fluttershy, and Fluttershy has flowers in her cheek. Those are her cutie marks.
This is so pretty, and it's like a mint top, right? Mint top with the legs. They're yellow, arms yellow, face yellow,
and she has
the butterflies, cutie mark.
And she has a purple skirt.
Let me see her skirt, her swimsuit. I think they're different. Oh, look at it. She even has a design in there. So cute.
You can change the skirt and put him to another pony.
Yeah, to another
Western
Christian
girl if
girl,
you
right?
have ponies like.
They're so pretty.
Yeah,
I can't
there's-
believe I found this.
And her skirt is purple.
These are awesome. You like it, Laura? Laura never
And
has
she
a...
has like a little piece of hair right here.
Yes, Laura
That's
never has a
very
doll like that. They're so cute.
Yeah.
I love it. Which one is your favorite, Laura?
My favorite thing is this one because I love this thing like
The style with
the
her hair like that? Yeah.
This part of her hair, I really like it. So that's this one.
He's so pretty, and you can tell Liam is loving his toys right now.
My favorite is this and this.
You like both? Or
Yeah.
do you like Dr. Oak better?
Oh, it is Spider-Man. I
Oh,
love
that's
that
awesome.
too. I love
That's
it too.
awesome. Look at this. He's gonna grab Spider-Man at night.
And if you wanted to know, just Spider-Man, but I got you this.
Oh, you can probably grab something with that, right?
Yeah, in Spider-Man the movie, I got you this.
He got that in the
Yes,
movie?
Yeah. And I found out that these two ponies, their hair is long and it touches the ground, and Pinkie Pie's is not that long and it doesn't.
Maybe
touch
because
the
a little
ground.
more curl? Because it looks like this a little more curled than the other ones.
Yeah, it's a little
Maybe, I don't know.
And
I'm thinking.
so,
We're so excited, but thank you so much to Sister Toy Style for tagging us, along with the other awesome channel, Gabriela Damari Show, Fizzy Toy Show, the Greek Girls, and then I'm gonna tag a girl who asked me for it, and I really wanna give her a shot. So let's try Toy Mixing channel, and then I'm gonna put the link down below. So I wanna see your $10 challenge to see what you can find out there. But thank you so much, everybody. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. Thank you. Bye bye.